List view. What is a list view? It is a view group that displays a list of scrollable items. These items are automatically inserted into the list using an adapter. That is, an adapter pulls these items from an array into the list. Now let's see the snapshot of a list view. This is list of fruits here. So now let's see and it to its code in the IDE. It is a simple UI control with a simple code. This is an XML file of a list view. It contains a relative layout by default. This is the graphical view. It contains list widget. From composite we drag and drop the list view here. Let's see its Java code. This is the Java code. Array list of fruits is declared here. List.display function. Now here this .display function is defined. Fruits.add apple, mango, grape, strawberry, watermelon. All these items are added to the fruits array. Then list view is declared here. An array adapter is used to pull the contents from the string array to the list view. It's a simple small code. Now let's see its output in emulator. Run as Android application. Now this is the output of list view in application in emulator. This is a small list of fruits. So this is all about list view. Let's see our next UI control. So now dialogues in Android. What is a dialog? It is a small window that prompts a user to make a decision. Usually it is a common practice when we close any window, a dialog appears. For example, when we close a browser window and if there are multiple tabs open, then it gives a warning that you want to close a multiple tab, yes or no. Again, if we close a Word document, then it again prompts to save that document or not. So these are the small dialog boxes that we come across. It does not fill the screen and it requires a user to take action before they can proceed. So we'll see a snapshot of the dialog box. This is a dialog box. This is a button, and on clicking the button this dialog box appears. Now we'll see what happens when we click on yes or no, either of them. Let's see the code. This is an XML file which contains a button in the linear layout. This is the graphical view. Show alert box is written on the button. Now let's see the Java file. Here a button is defined. Button.set on click listener. When we click on the button, dialog box appears. Alert dialog.builder is used to create a dialog box. Then this alert dialog builder.set title is used to set the title. And click yes to exit is the message. Set positive button. What happens when we click on yes? When we click on yes, the current activity is closed. That is main activity dot this dot finish, which means the current activity is closed, and when we click on no button, the dialog box disappears and it does nothing to the current activity. So this is the code. Now let's see its output in emulator. So this is the output in the emulator. Show alert box. Click yes to exit. What happens when we click no? Nothing will happen. When we click on yes, the current activity is closed and we go back to the previous activity if it is not closed. Now when we go to home page again, menus, alert dialog app to start again our application. So this is about dialog box. Now we see our next widget.